Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about very dark man and Prophet Jeremiah OMOTO FUFEYIN. Wetin dey happen between very dark man and Prophet Jeremiah OMOTO FUFEYIN? E don reach like how many days? We be say the two of them dey drag themselves. Though na very dark man na im dey drag Prophet Jeremiah OMOTO FUFEYIN. All of una know this prophet now. Na very popular prophet wey dey Warri. Na Warri bin base na im church dey. This prophet now na prophet wey be say e get so much money, wey be say na billionaire prophet na im people dey call am o. Wetin dey happen between him and very dark man? Very dark man don dey drag am for how many days now? All of una know say nobody wey very dark man no fit drag o. But before we continue, before we go give una full story about the news wey we carry come, if na the first time wey you dey watch our video be this, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So as we dey continue now, very dark man im don drag this prophet sotey im go report am give NAFDAC. Sotey NAFDAC now don comot. Now they don talk say make nobody drink this man miracle water and oil again, all im spiritual items. Now im don talk say NAFDAC don talk say make nobody dey drink am again, no, make nobody dey use am again, no, say na fake NAFDAC number this man carry put o. Una think say this prophet suppose do like this? As this matter dey go, even Prophet Jeremiah sef don talk say even him no dey sell the spiritual items again, say im don stop the sales of the spiritual items. Una think say very dark man don win this matter? Shey una think say very dark man don win this matter? Anything wey una reason, make una write am for the comment section. If wetin very dark man do, if e good o, or if wetin Prophet Jeremiah, if the thing wey e do, if e dey okay. Anyone wey una reason, make una write am for comment section. This is all we have for you today. If na the first time we dey watch our video be this, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.